Hello, in this video we're going to share some tips on how to assemble these patio chairs. So just make sure you have a Phillips head screwdriver and optionally a flathead screwdriver, and let's get into it. In step one, we're going to start by putting together the backrest and one of the arms. And for this we need piece 3, which is the backrest, and then piece 1, which is the right arm of the chair. And for this we're going to line up this hole here and this hole here with the 2 holes on the backrest here. And for this we need bolt E, which is the shortest bolt. And that'll go in this top hole. And then we also need bolt B and this little nut. And this little nut is going to go in the back of this piece. And then the bolt is going to go through the holes into that nut. And you just want to make sure that the nut lines up so that the bolt can go into it. And then we'll take our Allen key and tighten those the whole way. And then in step 2, we're going to take piece 5 and bolt A, which is the pointy one. And then we want to make sure that this little protrusion is towards the back of the chair, like this. And then we'll do the bolt into the side. And then we'll tighten that with our Allen key. And then once that's tight, we can move on to step 3, which we need piece 4. And we want this crossbeam part to be this way on this edge like this. And then the smooth seat side facing this way, like this. And then this groove will line up with the pegs on the end here. So we can go ahead and line that one up. And then the seat should be resting above these little blocks on this side. And then we'll secure it with one of the bolts A. And then once that's tight, we can take piece 6 and put that in this groove here. And then also put another bolt A into this one. And once that's tight, we can move on to step 4, which is just putting the other arm on. It'll be basically the same as we did on this first side. Okay, and then once all of those are in, we're going to move on to step 5. And for that, we just need to turn the chair over. And then for this step, we need our Phillips head screwdriver and screws D. And then for this, we're going to take one of the screws and put it in through the bottom here. And then when we're screwing it in with the screwdriver, we're just going to squeeze this seat towards this block. So we're going to put our screw in here, and then we're going to squeeze this together and then screw it in. And we want the screw to go into the seat and cinch it up nice and tight. And then once it's in, this should be flush right here. And then we'll do that for these other 2 as well. And then once those are all tight, we're done. We hope this video was helpful for you in assembling your new patio chairs. For more guides, tips, and tricks, go to walkeredison.com.